Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about Article 15 of Indian Constitution and its explanation. The objective of Article 15 is to promote equality and eliminate discrimination on the basis of various factors that historically have been the basis of social inequality and injustice in India. Provisions of Article 15 of Indian Constitution. The states Number 1. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Number 2. No citizen shall on the ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them be subject to any disability, liability, restriction, or condition with regard to number A. Access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, and places of public entertainment, or B. The use of bells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, and places of public resort maintained wholly or partly out of the state funds or dedicated to the use of general public. Number 3. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for women and citizens. Number 4. Nothing in this article or in clause 2 of Article 29 shall prevent the state from making any special provisions for advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of the citizen or for scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe. Number 5. Nothing in this article or sub clause G of clause 1 of the Article 19 shall prevent the state from making any special provision by law or for advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens or for the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe in so far as such special provisions relate to their admission to education institution including private education institution whether aided or unaided by the state or other than the minority educational institution referred to in clause 1 of article 30. Number 6. Nothing in this article or subclause G of the clause 1 of article 19 or clause 2 of article 29 shall prevent the state from making number A. Any special provision for the advancement of any educationally weaker section of the citizen other than the classes mentioned in clause 5, 4 and 5 and B. Any special provision for the advancement of any economically weaker section of the citizen other than classes mentioned in clause 4 and clause 5 in so far such special provisions relate to their admission to education institution including private education institution whether aided or unaided by the state or other than the minority institutions referred to in clause 1 of article 30, which in case of reservation would be in addition to the existing reservations and subject to a maximum of 10% of the total seats in each category. Landmark cases related to Article 15 State of Madras versus Champakam Dhurizan. This was the first case related to Article 15 to come before the Supreme Court of India. In this case, the state of Madras issued an order reserving the seats in medical and engineering colleges for different communities based on their population. The Supreme Court held that such a policy violating Article 15(1) as it discriminated against the certain communities on the ground of their caste. The court held that the state could not provide reservation only on the basis of religion or caste. Number 2. Indra Sahani versus Union of India. This case, also known as the Mandal Commission case, dealt with the reservation policy for the socially and educationally backward classes in public employment and education. The Supreme Court upheld the validity of Article 15(4) and held that the reservation could be provided only for those classes of citizens who were socially and educationally backward and not for any particular caste or community. The court also set a cap of 50% of reservation in public employment and education. Number 3, Ashok Kumar Thakur versus Union of India. This case dealt with the constitutional validity of 27% reservations for the other backward classes OBCs in